Welcome to an in-depth look at one of humanity's most impressive engineering feats, the dam. Today, we're exploring the engineering and functions of these massive structures. Dams are far more than just big walls. They are complex systems designed to harness and manage the power of water. At their core, dams are barriers built across a river to retain water, serving purposes from flood control and irrigation to generating hydroelectric power. Dams come in various forms, including gravity dams, which rely on sheer weight, arch dams, which use the strength of a curve, and embankment dams made of compacted earth and rock. The first essential function of a dam is water impoundment. This is where the physics of water storage truly begins. The dam's structure acts as an immense barrier, halting the natural flow of the river. This requires incredible structural integrity to withstand the enormous pressure of the water. As water is retained, it forms a reservoir behind the dam. This elevated body of water stores vast amounts of potential energy, which is critical for future use, especially power generation. To perform its functions safely and efficiently, a dam relies on several key structural components. The dam's main body, often made of concrete or earth, must be meticulously engineered to resist the massive horizontal force exerted by the reservoir water. Gates and spillways are vital for controlling water levels. They allow for the controlled release of water to prevent overtopping, protecting the dam structure, and managing downstream flow. For power generation, water is funneled through intakes into large pipes called penstocks. These penstocks deliver the high-pressure water directly to the turbines. Hydroelectric power is perhaps the most famous function of many large dams, converting stored potential energy into clean electricity. The potential energy of the reservoir is converted into kinetic energy as the water rushes down the penstock, building up tremendous force and speed. This fast-moving water strikes the blades of a turbine, causing it to spin rapidly. This is the crucial mechanical step in generating power. The spinning turbine is connected to a generator, which converts the mechanical energy into electricity. A transformer then steps up the voltage for efficient transmission across the grid. Beyond power, dams are instrumental in managing water resources and mitigating natural disasters. During heavy rainfall, spillways are used to safely discharge excess water. This prevents the reservoir from rising too high and overwhelming the dam. By controlling the release of water, dams significantly reduce the risk and severity of flooding downstream, protecting human lives and property. Dams offer many more benefits that impact daily life and global infrastructure. Reservoirs created by dams are essential sources for municipal water supply and provide reliable irrigation for agriculture, sustaining life and livelihoods in surrounding regions. In summary, a dam is an engineering marvel that uses structural components to impound water, manage floods, provide essential water supply, and generate clean, reliable hydroelectric power. Thank you for watching.